In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Morningstar stock research in 2025, the ultimate tutorial you've been waiting for. If you're looking to leverage Morningstar's tools to enhance your stock market knowledge and make more informed investment decisions, then you're in the right place. First, let's head over to the Morningstar website. You're going to want to get right into the heart of the action, and there's no better place to start than the home page. Once you're there, you'll see a prominent button that says Get 7 Days Free. Click that, because who doesn't love a free trial period to dip their toes in before committing, right? Now that you've clicked to start your free trial, you'll see another button titled Start Free Trial. Go ahead and click on it. Taking a moment to enter the trial version allows you to explore all the great features Morningstar offers without immediately diving into a payment plan. Once you've clicked Start Free Trial, you'll have to complete a form. Don't let forms bog you down. It's a simple process to fill in your details, like your name and email. Just make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any hiccups down the line. After submitting the form, click on Create Account. This will officially open the doors to your exploratory adventure with Morningstar. Now, you'll need to choose your payment method. While this free trial won't charge you immediately, having a valid payment method ensures uninterrupted service once the trial ends. Next, you'll need to complete the subscriber address section. Ensure you've got your current address entered correctly to avoid any issues with your account or when processing eventual billing. Once you've done that, hit Save. It's a crucial step to affirm your entered data is safely stored. Now complete the billing information. Remember, your card won't be charged during the trial, but getting this done now will save you time later. Finally, click Submit to finalize the setup process. With everything squared away, move on by clicking Continue to Site. Your site is now ready. Dive right in by clicking on Stocks in the menu. This is where the magic happens. Clicking Stocks opens a treasure trove of articles and research tailored to suit every level of investor, from beginner to seasoned professional. And there you have it. You are now all set to explore the extensive resources available through Morningstar's stock section. Whether it's reading insightful articles or examining in-depth research, you'll find plenty of information to fuel your investment strategies. Enjoy navigating this well-crafted tool, and here's hoping it helps you make informed, strategic stock market decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.